am Chen. I went to the MSc program 2004-2005, a long time ago. And right now I am the CEO and co-founder of an artificial intelligence startup called YC, and I am based in San Francisco, California. I was born in China, but I grew up in Panama since I was 4 years old, and I was there until I went to undergrad in computer engineering. I worked during my undergrad and after, and I felt that software projects were not done the right way. And that's why I was looking to enhance my skills, learn how to do projects the right way, and that's how I found the MSc program. To me, software engineering is a part of computer science because computer science encompasses a lot more things, from hardware to network to AI to software. And I was interested in software engineering even before knowing it was called software engineering. So after my undergrad in computer engineering, I was working mainly as a software developer and a software engineer. But software, because of its nature, it is intangible, it lacks of physical structure. It's very difficult to communicate and also to evaluate the risk and the complexity that a software project could have. Software engineering is that discipline that allows us to understand the nature of software and what are the best practices for each stage of a software engineering project to do software the right way. So it's like a specialization for me, and software has been the most entertaining part of computer science for me for a long time. I think there are many differences in the MSc program at Carnegie Mellon than other MSc programs. First is who are the professors. The faculty members are either the researchers who are defining the best practices, who are defining the future, and also people that have extensive industry experience coming together to show us the best of both worlds, because software engineering is applied in the real world. So it shouldn't, to me, it shouldn't have just a research approach. It had to have an industry approach, but also a forward-thinking approach. So that is the first part. The second part is the ratio between classes and real projects. So in my times, 40% of our workload was in a studio project with a real company. My company was Siemens, and we were a team of 5 that were working throughout the whole program to solve this problem that this customer requested. Getting the knowledge from the classes and these two kinds of faculties, industry and research faculty, and then applying it in a real project and learning like what really works and what doesn't work and why, that was very important. And then the diversity in the program, like the different kind of projects, different kind of student backgrounds, and type of problems that we have to solve for customers, that was really enriching. Solving a real problem at a global scale with our skills and knowledge, I think that is the part that keeps me entertained. Obviously, having a startup comes with a lot of challenges, and not just technical challenges, but also organizational, financial, personal. But I'm fortunate to have a really good team and really good co-founders and investors who share the same vision that we have the skills and the knowledge, technical knowledge, and also industry knowledge to solve this complex problem and help this legacy industry to be an intelligent industry with our technology. I still think that technical careers are among the best for women, because given all the biases that are still pervasive in society, when you are in a technical discipline, that bias is kind of mitigated because your software works or doesn't work. Like there is no Like, do you think that my painting is really good or not? Like, no, it's, you can show off your skills. If you're good, you're going to be good and it is going to be recognized, or at least you can negotiate clearly that you are a valuable resource. So in that aspect, I think technical degrees or careers are the best for women. And why MSc, why CMU? To me, it has been the most comprehensive program, both from the technical side, but also from an excellent point of view. And all the network, the CMU reputation, and the transformative experience that we students go through when we become part of the CMU family. It's like a before and after chapter in our lives. And I love CMU. Always be part of the family.